This cake is made with no flour or sugar. It is a super healthy cake and it is absolutely delicious and very easy to make with few ingredients you probably have at home. If you're interested in learning how to make it, join me. Let me show you how to make it. We'll start by adding 3 eggs into a bowl. Next, we go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Then we go ahead and mix it all together until it's properly incorporated. After that, we go ahead and add 1 cup of heavy cream. After that, now it's time for the star of the show, our desiccated coconut or shredded coconut. We'll be using 2.5 cups of shredded coconut. Then we go ahead and add it and mix it very well until it's properly incorporated. Now for our final ingredients, we'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can add yours together with the coconut, but I like adding mine last. After adding it, go ahead and mix it all together until it's properly incorporated. Once we are done mixing, we'll go ahead and get our baking pan. I'll be using this square-shaped baking pan. Go ahead and layer it with some parchment paper and transfer the batter to it. Go ahead and smoothen the batter until it's evenly distributed in the pan. Then we go ahead and bake it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what mine looks like after baking. Remove it from the pan and transfer it to a cooling rack before cutting into it. Allow it to cool down completely. This is a very healthy cake option. If you're on a diet or you're watching your weight, then this cake is for you. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Will you be trying this recipe at home? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. If you've been watching without subscribing, please kindly subscribe. We make amazing recipes. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. Feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.